Hey everyone, this is Hans with Kura Home. Today we're going to talk about why having a shop vacuum is very helpful when you're doing your home maintenance tasks. And we're going to talk about 5 of those home maintenance tasks that you should be doing on a regular basis and why having a shop vacuum makes those go a lot simpler. Stay tuned. Okay, pretty basic, a shop vacuum. Hear me out. A couple things you want to have is a dry filter and a wet filter, and a couple different attachments for when you're doing all of the different home maintenance tasks or detailing your car or using it in the garage. So a very versatile piece of equipment here to have. We'll have links in the descriptions below for the exact model of this and the different filters that we use. But basically, find a vacuum that does wet and dry and have a couple filters that you can change out pretty easily. All right, number 1 on the list, cleaning your fridge coils. Shop vacuum, very helpful when doing that. We would recommend that you clean your fridge coils once per year. So having a shop vacuum makes that process go a lot simpler. Number 2 on the list, cleaning the interior of your dryer. How do you do that? Basically, you take out the lint screen and you look down below on the inside of the unit, down below where that lint screen came out of. There's gonna be a bunch of dust and lint built up in there. Get yourself a specific tool. I don't have it exactly here with me. We'll link it down below, but there's different, what we call snakes, that basically are flexible and very small little attachments that can go onto your shop vacuum here. They get down below on the inside of the dryer, clean out all that lint that builds up. We would recommend you do that at least once every 3 months. So once a quarter. If you're doing a lot of loads of laundry, you got a lot of kids or pets in the house, we'd recommend doing that maybe as often as once per month. So number 2 on the list, clean the interior of your dryer. Number 3 on the list, cleaning your air exchanger. You have at least 2 filters in your air exchanger and a core that need to be cleaned on a regular basis. Shop vacuum makes that go really simple. Okay, take the filters out of your air exchanger, vacuum those off, clean up all the bugs and dust, lint, cottonwood, whatever's on the inside of your air exchanger that shouldn't be there. Clean that out. We would recommend you do that once per quarter, or if you live in an environment with a lot of cottonwood trees, or you get a lot of bugs, box elder bugs, Asian beetles, those types of things that get sucked in to your air exchanger. You might need to clean that out a little bit more frequently during the summer months or when the bugs are out, maybe in the fall. But having a shop vacuum makes that process go very simple. Number 4 on the list, cleaning your bathroom fans. Having a shop vacuum makes that process pretty quick and simple. Having a brush attachment will make it a lot simpler for you to clean the fan motor and also to clean the plastic cover of the bathroom fan. So we would recommend you clean your bathroom fans once per year. Having a shop vacuum, very helpful. Number 5 on the list, and possibly the grossest, is cleaning your bathroom drains. You can use this to help you clean your bathroom drains. A lot of people use Drano or some sort of chemical to unclog your drains, or they might use a snake, but you can also use a shop vacuum. So put on the wet filter over there, fill up the drain with water, and suck all of the water, get a nice tight seal over the drain, and pull all the water and hair and whatever's down in that drain that's clogging it out of the drain. There's a ton of tutorial videos on YouTube on exactly how to do that, but having a shop vacuum makes that process pretty quick and simple. Okay, there you have it. There's 5 helpful home maintenance tasks that you should be doing on a regular basis that we use a shop vacuum for. Comment below, what are some of the home maintenance tasks that you're doing on a regular basis using your shop vacuum? We'd love to know. And obviously, these are only 5. There's a ton of different things that you can use a shop vacuum for. Everything from inflating your kids' pools and your kids' toys to cleaning and detailing the interior of your car with the dry filter or the wet filter. There's a whole bunch of things you can use a shop vacuum for. We'd love to hear your comments down below on what you're using your shop vacuum for. Thanks so much. If there's anything we can do to be of further assistance for you, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, head on over to our website, or we post a ton of content on Facebook and LinkedIn on helping you maintain your house on a regular basis. We'd love to hear your thoughts, and we'll catch you in the next video.